What if your garden could thrive in the summer heat instead of wilting under it? Most plants dread the scorching sun, but not all. Some are born to thrive in heat waves and still give you vibrant blooms, leafy greens, or juicy produce. So what's the secret to a garden that flourishes when the sun won't quit? Stick around because I'm sharing the must-know summer gardening tips step by step, and with each step, a powerful heat-resistant plant that thrives even when temperatures rise. From soil prep to smart watering, we're covering it all, so your garden doesn't just survive summer, it owns it. If your soil isn't right, no plant will thrive, especially in summer. Hot weather speeds up evaporation and stresses out roots, so step one is building a foundation that works with the heat, not against it. That's where okra comes in. This plant is a summer warrior, tolerant of heat, drought, and tough conditions. But even okra has one non-negotiable: well-draining, fertile soil. Start with a base of loamy soil and mix in plenty of compost or aged manure. This boosts moisture retention without turning the soil soggy. Okra hates wet feet, so avoid clay-heavy or compacted soils. If your garden tends to trap water, build up raised rows or beds for better drainage. Here's a bonus summer hack. Add 2-3 inches of organic mulch around each plant. Not only does this lock in moisture, but it also keeps the root zone cool, which is critical in extreme heat. Okra thrives in full sun, so pick the sunniest spot in your garden. Once it's rooted, it's low maintenance and keeps producing as long as you harvest regularly. Care tip: water deeply 2-3 times a week, and harvest when pods are 2-4 inches long for best flavor and productivity. Summer heat can be brutal, not just on your plants but on your watering routine too. Watering at the wrong time can waste water, invite disease, and even scorch your plants. That's why timing is everything. The best time to water your garden is early in the morning. This gives plants time to soak up the moisture before the heat sets in, and it allows leaves to dry quickly, reducing the risk of mildew or fungal issues. Avoid watering in the heat of the day, most of it just evaporates, and skip late evening watering, which can keep plants too damp overnight. This tip is especially useful when growing zinnias, one of the most colorful and heat-hardy flowers you can plant. Zinnias thrive in full sun and love warm, dry conditions. They don't ask for much, but consistent moisture at the root level helps them bloom longer and brighter. Use a soaker hose or watering can at the base to avoid getting the leaves wet. This simple shift can make your garden healthier and happier in hot weather. Care tip: deadhead spent blooms regularly to encourage non-stop flowering. Zinnias will reward you all summer long with bold color and minimal fuss. When the sun is relentless, the last thing you want is a plant that folds under pressure. That's why it's crucial to choose crops that thrive in high temperatures, like eggplant. This glossy purple veggie doesn't just survive in the heat, it loves it. In fact, eggplant grows best when daytime temps range from 80 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Eggplants are heat-tolerant, drought-resistant once established, and incredibly productive with the right care. For the best results, plant them in full sun, ideally in a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct light. Use rich, well-draining soil and space them about 18-24 inches apart for airflow. As the temps rise, your eggplant will put out stunning purple flowers followed by heavy fruits. But remember, eggplants are heavy feeders, especially during fruiting. Care tip: use an organic fertilizer high in phosphorus every few weeks to support healthy fruit development. And don't forget to stake or cage your plants. The fruits can get heavy and cause the stems to bend or break. If you're looking for a summer veggie that delivers both beauty and bounty, eggplant is your go-to heat-resilient hero. One of the smartest things you can do for your summer garden? Mulch. It's your garden's best defense against heat stress. Mulch keeps soil temperatures stable, locks in moisture, and blocks weeds from stealing nutrients. And there's no better plant to pair with this tactic than the heat-loving sweet potato. Sweet potatoes thrive in hot, sunny conditions and act like a living ground cover, naturally shading the soil. But to give them an even stronger start, layer 2-3 inches of organic mulch like straw, shredded leaves, or grass clippings around each plant right after transplanting. This holds in precious moisture and prevents the soil from baking under direct sunlight. Plant sweet potatoes in loose, sandy soil that drains well. They don't like wet feet, so avoid heavy watering or compacted spots. As they grow, their sprawling vines will smother weeds and shade the ground even more, doubling your mulch protection naturally. Care tip: water just enough to keep the soil slightly moist, too much, and the roots may rot. Sweet potatoes are ready to harvest in 90–120 days when the leaves start to yellow. They're beautiful, productive, and practically made for the summer heat. A true win for eco-conscious gardeners. When the ground gets scorching hot, one clever way to keep your plants happy is to go vertical. Growing upward helps reduce soil heat exposure, improves airflow, and maximizes limited garden space, especially important in small urban plots. One of the best vertical growers for summer? Malabar spinach. Unlike traditional leafy greens that bolt and turn bitter in the heat, Malabar spinach actually thrives in high humidity and temperatures over 90 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not a true spinach, but its thick, glossy leaves taste remarkably similar and are packed with vitamins A and C. This vining plant needs a sturdy trellis, fence, or vertical netting to climb. The higher it goes, the happier it seems. Plus, lifting the vines off the ground keeps the leaves cleaner and more pest-resistant. Care tip: keep the soil moist, but not soggy. Harvest young leaves regularly, they're tender, delicious, and the more you pick, the more the plant produces. Malabar spinach grows fast, looks ornamental, and gives you fresh greens all summer long when regular spinach just can't take the heat. If you're short on space and need a leafy heat buster, this plant delivers. Even heat-tolerant plants have their limits, and sometimes, a little shade is all they need to keep thriving. That's especially true for basil. While it loves the warmth and sun, extreme summer heat can cause it to wilt, bolt early, or lose its sweet flavor. So how do you keep it lush and productive? Create partial shade during the hottest hours of the day, especially mid-afternoon when the sun is most intense. You can use shade cloth, garden umbrellas, or get creative with taller companion plants like tomatoes or sunflowers to cast natural shade over your basil. Basil thrives in well-drained, nutrient-rich soil and appreciates consistent moisture. Just don't overdo it. Soggy roots can lead to fungal issues. Mulching helps regulate temperature and hold in moisture. Care tip: pinch off flower buds as soon as you see them. This keeps the plant from going to seed and encourages fuller, bushier growth with stronger flavor. In return, basil rewards you with aromatic leaves perfect for summer salads, pestos, and herbal teas. With a little strategic shading, you can keep it thriving through the hottest part of the season. What's a summer garden without buzzing bees and fluttering butterflies? Pollinators are essential for fruit set, seed production, and overall garden vitality. But in the sweltering summer months, not all flowers hold up. That's where marigolds shine, literally and figuratively. Marigolds are heat-tolerant, drought-resistant, and bloom non-stop through summer, making them a magnet for pollinators like bees, hoverflies, and butterflies. Their bright orange, yellow, and red blooms provide constant visual appeal and an easy landing pad for beneficial insects. But marigolds don't just attract pollinators, they also repel pests like aphids, whiteflies, and even nematodes in the soil. That makes them one of the easiest and most hardworking flowers you can plant in and around your vegetable beds. Care tip: plant marigolds in full sun and give them well-draining soil. Water at the base to avoid leaf mildew, especially in humid climates. Deadhead regularly to keep blooms coming. Line your garden borders or tuck marigolds between heat-loving crops like tomatoes and peppers. They'll not only brighten the space but support the entire ecosystem of your garden through even the hottest months. So, who said summer was too hot to garden? With the right plants and a few smart strategies, you can create a lush, productive space that beats the heat naturally. From okra to marigolds, each plant we covered today brings something powerful to your summer garden toolkit. Which plant are you most excited to grow this season? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more smart seasonal garden tips, check out my video on top 7 climate-resilient crops farmers should grow now. Don't forget to like, share with a gardening friend, and hit that subscribe button for more eco-friendly, heat-proof garden advice. Thanks for watching and happy planting.